In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add contractors in Gusto. Once you are logged into your Gusto account, look to the left-hand sidebar, Find and click People. This is where you manage everyone connected to your company in Gusto, including employees and contractors. After you open People, select Hire and Onboarding. This section is designed to guide you through adding someone new with the right details from the start. Next, click Hire or Add Person. This opens the form where you will enter the contractor's basic information. Start by typing their first name, middle initial, and last name. If the person uses a different name day to day, you can also enter a preferred first name. Adding a preferred name can help keep profiles accurate and make communication more personal, especially when documents and emails are generated through the system. After you enter the name, choose the correct worker type. Select Contractors, and then choose Work Business. This helps Gusto categorize the person correctly and apply the appropriate onboarding flow. It also helps keep reporting and payments organized later. Now enter their personal email address. Make sure it is an email the contractor can access easily, since Gusto may use it for invitations, onboarding tasks, or important updates. Take a moment to double-check spelling, because a small typo can delay the process and prevent the contractor from receiving what they need. Once the basic details are in place, move to Hiring, and then click Compensation. This is where you set up how the contractor will be classified for their role, and how pay information is displayed. In the compensation area, select the job title. Then choose the labor market and industry. These fields help align the role with the correct category, and they can also support pay benchmarking and internal consistency across your team. After that, review the pay information shown, including the annual and hourly views. Even if you primarily pay contractors by the hour or by project, it is still important to understand how the system presents the compensation details, so everything matches your expectations before you move forward. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.